Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing a yummy banana muffin recipe with you. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. I'll also be listing out the ingredients on the description box, so enjoy.
These are the ingredients used to make cupcake, banana cupcake. Flour, oat flour, 4 bananas, 1.5 cup of oil, honey, cocoa powder, egg, banana flavor, chocolate chips.
So first we'll be breaking in the egg. Yes, open it up very well. Give that to Muna. Give it to Muna. Then we'll add our oil. Yes, you can put everything. Then put in honey.
Everything.
Yes. Mash our banana before we add them into our liquid mixture. No, keep mashing it. We need to mash it very well.
Mash it.
Let me
Yeah.
help you.
Are you mashing? Mash it. Mash it. Mash it. It's fun. It's fun.
I've added in our mashed banana, so we'll mix it with the liquid mixture. I can mix it very well.
Mix it.
We'll sieve in our flour into the liquid mixture. That is our all-purpose flour and our oat flour. Don't allow it to pour inside. Let me help you.
Okay. Wow. It's okay, I'm taking out. And after that, we use our oat flour.
Yeah, I'll add my oat flour. I don't like sieving it, so just add it inside. Then we'll stir this all together.
Wow. Look at the mixture. Wow. This is really great.
The batter was too thick, so I decided to add in some liquid. So I'll be putting in liquid milk to thin out the batter.
Every single thing is in.
Please add in the baking soda now. Yes. Then mix the butter.
Added the baking soda. So now we are going to.
So here I just shared the batter into 2. So in one portion I'll be mixing in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to it. Now we'll be transferring our batter into our muffin cups.
See all of them.
Yeah, I'll put it on. I'll add the one I mixed with cocoa powder halfway. That's chocolate chips. Yeah, add them, Chichi.
Now we are going to sprinkle chocolate chips. Yeah, so. Stop eating it, it will not be enough.
Our banana muffins are ready to enter the oven.